December 14th, 2023, 3:08 p.m. Wanted to get this right here. Right here. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. Alaska Airlines right there. Just going. Going. Yep. Look at that. All right. Let's get a run around right here. Everything's dark. Yeah, no lines making anything right here. You guys can see this is all pure clouds, you know. It's all clouds. That's all it is. It's just clouds. So yeah, that's just the way it is. There's one. Oh, no X's going on anywhere. You got no X's. Nope. No sir. He's got planes spraying everything everywhere. See that one right there? Watch. Goes right there. Imagine that. Going right through. Right here to the sun. So yeah, I'll make this short. I'm gonna get this, and I seriously, again, I can't even see the mountains, so this is gonna be like yesterday. Once it gets right here, it's gone. Let's get a zoom in real quick. Boy, this is really covered. Okay, I got this on fully bright. I want to dim it down just a skosh. Just a skosh. That's almost fully bright. That's how bad this is, what they're doing right here. It's stupid. I can't stand that. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Kidding me right now? Like, you can darken it. You can lighten it. Do it normal. Zoom in on it. Let's brighten it up a little bit. Might be able to catch a spot or two or three. I doubt it though. All right. So that's what it looks like. That's what we're getting. That's all we're gonna get. Look at that thing. Look. Oh yeah, that's just a common everyday contrail. Look where it crosses right there. There's an X from one that went that way. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Trees have been trimmed. See the piles? Right there. Boom. Look at them piles. Go all the way down. We're going to have a grinder come in. So, it's the way it is. Gotta love this. Sunny skies. One last look. Peace out.